Jury deliberations are done for the day in the case of Deshawn and Tyler Stafford, the brothers who are accused of causing the death of an Akron teen.
Last summer, 17-year-old Ethan Liming and his friends used a toy gun to shoot gel pellets at basketball players. It escalated into a deadly fight. Bob Jones is live again for us tonight at the courthouse with the latest. Hi, Bob.
Well, good evening. The jury started working on the case at 9 o'clock this morning, and they did not reach a verdict today. There is a lot for the jury to consider, including should the brothers be found guilty of involuntary manslaughter, assault, or is this a case of self-defense? Today we spoke with a legal expert who says Ohio's Stand Your Ground law could be a crucial focal point for the jury to consider. Prosecutors admit Ethan Liming and his friends made bad decisions on the night of June 2nd, 2022, when they used toy splatterball guns to shoot gel pellets at basketball players outside of the I Promise school in Akron.
Most pranks are not bright ideas. It was a joke.
Deshawn and Tyler Stafford, who were on the basketball court, initially ran, but prosecutors say a short time later, Deshawn approached Ethan outside of his car. Ethan shot more pellets at Deshawn, and a fight started. According to the prosecution, Deshawn threw the first punch. Tyler and a cousin joined in. Ethan fell backwards, hit his head on the pavement, and died. Matt Kuhn believes the brothers realized it was a prank, but retaliated with unreasonable force.
Their behavior caused the death of Ethan Liming. Okay, they were committing assaults on Ethan. They were violently attacking him.
But the defense argues the Stafford brothers were not looking for trouble that night. Trouble came looking for them.
It didn't have to be deadly. It could have been right out the window and go forward.
Defense attorneys say Deshawn and Tyler acted in self-defense, and the burden to prove they didn't falls on the prosecution.
They're going to prove that Deshawn didn't act in self-defense in the shadows. That's on them.
University of Akron law professor Michael Gentithis says the case will test Ohio's Stand Your Ground law, passed 2 years ago. Self-defense can be argued if a defendant didn't provoke the incident, and there's another factor.
Second, that the defendant had some bona fide belief of the imminent danger of something pretty serious, of death or great bodily harm.
Gentithis says Ohio's Stand Your Ground law is broader than some other states as it relates to a duty to retreat.
As long as the defendant is in a place they're lawfully allowed to be, the duty to retreat no longer applies.
Gentithis says it's possible the jury could be wrestling with the self-defense argument in the Stafford's trial, and the ultimate verdict will be one to watch.
Depending on the outcome, it would be a good demonstration of the elements of self-defense and how they potentially apply.
And with the jury unable to reach a verdict tonight, they have gone home for the evening. They will resume their deliberations and return to the Summit County Courthouse tomorrow at 8:45 a.m. Live in Akron tonight, Bob Jones, News 5.
Okay, we'll see what happens tomorrow, Bob. Thank you.